So, I'd like you to welcome you guys to the first, pretty much welcome you to the first video of the channel. So, let's get started. We're gonna drive into the shop, see if Aaron's in, and then you know, start working on this Focus. Yeah, I'll see. We'll cut to the shop. Let's go see what Aaron's up to. My dude. Are you giving her in here?
Giving her.
$1, $2, $3. All you Focus fanboys will know what that is. Ordered this through work here at the dealership. Bought it before Ford thought they could sell it for $250, so ended up paying around like $65 and then some tax. So yeah, so we got this. Now the next box. If you buy one of these, you gotta get a cleaning kit, otherwise it's gonna be useless. When you go to check your air filter to see how dirty it is. Oh, found an air filter. Oh, don't have a cleaning kit. What the hell am I gonna do? So, and I bought this too, because we live in Wisconsin. Bad weather, snow. Put that on the end of her. I'll show you. Oh. Look at that. That's right, the green filter. Let's get the car in here and wash it. It's been nice for the past 2 days. So we're gonna get it inside. We're gonna get it washed. I'll do a little time lapse of washing it. I'm gonna use a brush because that's what I got here, but it's a brand new washing brush. So we'll get it in. Let's get this thing washed off. Rinse her off. Look at this. That's nice. I do gotta get some chamois though. Gotta get some chamois. It just walks away. Grab a fresh chamois. So chamois washing. Shamelish, whatever you say. I don't know. How do you pronounce that? Chamelas. There we go. And that rear bumper. This is like the worst for dirt. Back right here on these hatchbacks. Just stupid amount of dirt. Come on. It's not getting dry. Chamelas.
Yeah.
You must have been fucking hauling.
Well, yeah. I told you. See what kind of mileage I get at 80.
What time did you leave?
9:45, I think.
So
9:45, yeah.
so 2 hours and
I got it.
25 minutes.
No, 2 hours on the dot. Because that's what I set my thing at.
Oh, you were hauling.
Oh, yeah, I told you.
So let's start this install. We're gonna open up the hood.
So I think I'm gonna look into getting something for mine.
Like what? What? Like what?
Like a chip and a airbox.
Oh. So this is what we got now. We're gonna do it before and after.
Okay.
You gonna start it up?
Yeah, I'll start it up and then we're gonna
It probably sounds kind of. You're gonna hang out in there or what? Sounds like a Billy goat taking a shit.
Alright, so that's stock airbox, stock filter. And we're gonna switch it out with the RS
There.
filter and
Your headlights are on.
oh no. Headlights are on. So then we're gonna get the RS airbox in there with the green filter and then we'll do another rev. Alright, let me get this thing off here. 4 bolts, 8mm, 2 in the front, 2 in the back.
And too lazy to use a ratchet.
Well, if you got them, you gotta use them, right? That's not a good place to put that. So
Just like that.
just like that, lids off. This is the stock. I am surprised there's not corn in here or something stupid from sitting so long over the winter. You just take that out.
It's a stroker.
Demonetized.
Yeah.
The green filter.
Whoops.
There's the difference. Into paper filter, mesh, wire.
Yeah, you can stick your pecker in both ends of that one.
Well, yeah, it's got to open it right there.
Too small.
Too small. I'm just wondering if we keep this clamp on here. I think that's an 8. You think that's an 8?
We'll try it. Oh yeah.
Crap kills.
Did it really? Had to grab my flashlight. So you just gotta make sure that the filter is lined up in the groove on the side here. There's a groove right down there that goes half moon. Then your top of your cover will come around the top there. So are you playing with your finger?
Oh, playing with yours.
Oh, wow. Ooh, there's a difference.
7 mil?
7 mil. Like a monkey humping a football.
If that's what you want to call it.
We're on that.
Technical difficulties.
It's on there. This is what's left. You don't need this. Hold on. Cause you gotta line. Look at.
Hold on. Well, you gotta make sure it's on there first. Yeah, that's right in the right spot, isn't it? Or you gotta go further back. Yeah, further back. Yeah.
Yeah, you tighten that up. Watch it slip off.
Yeah.
Nah. 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 Not going anywhere.
What you?
What?
Yeah. Let's get this on.
That's what she said.
Let's get it on. Remember that?
No.
That
What?
TV show.
What TV show?
Before it's before Aaron's time.
Well, everything's before Aaron's time.
That's true.
Never even seen Tommy Boy.
Yeah, I've never seen Tommy Boy.
Rent it.
Don't
It's like-
watch movies too much.
That's one you should watch.
There we go. That's.
Get them all started and then.
Well, I've seen these things bust if you don't have them on there just right. Get this thing on.
It's right on there right now.
Yeah, you're good.
See, it's holding.
You good?
Yep.
I wouldn't lie to you, buddy.
That looks good over here too.
Don't over.
You gotta get the 8 millimeter on there. Oh no, it's a 7 now.
That's fancy.
Mm-hmm.
I'd have just grabbed a ratchet and done it by feel.
There we go.
Install complete.
Install complete.
Now let's rev it.
All right. So,
Oh, that's right. We're doing it with the hood open.
you think it's gonna make a difference, Cory?
It'll be louder. Tingly feeling.
Cory just wants to run it to center.
No, yeah, I've done that. No, you can see it.
Let's end the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Maybe Eric will do the outro next time. That's it.
That's a big chunk of dirt.
Comment below.